Hey, this is Flo and welcome back to Advent of Code. In today's episode, we will have a look at SPAlert, a library to let you add system-like alert boxes or pop-up boxes to your app. The great thing about this library is that it works both with UIKit and SwiftUI, and the code is actually exactly the same for both of the UI frameworks. You can already see some examples here on the GitHub page. So these are from the music app, for example, and also the App Store app uses these pop-ups. And yeah, we will have a look at how this works in this episode. So as always, I have my example project here, which is empty but has already imported the package. So let's also import it into this file, import SPAlert. And then in our body, let's replace the text with a button and let's say show alert. And then the action is where it gets actually interesting. So this package has a bunch of different ways to use it, but we will just have a look at the quick start way because this is super easy and most of the time you will not need any different options. So basically you can present such a pop-up in just a single line of code. So you will just say SPAlert, which is an enum, and then just say present. There are a couple of different options here. So first of all, you can enter a title. Second, you can enter a message here that's a bit longer. Then you can select an alert icon preset. So there are a couple of presets, for example, the done check mark, an X for error, a heart or a spinner, or you can also enter a custom system image. We will just use the done preset. You can also add haptics through the haptic engine. So since we have the done preset, let's also have the success haptic. And then you can also have a closure that gets called when the alert is dismissed again. In our case, I don't think we need that, so let's get rid of it. Now let's run this in the simulator and have a look at how it works. Okay, so the app has launched in the simulator. And now we have our show alert button, and if we click that, then the alert pops up, a little animation is played here for the check mark. We have our title and a little bit of a longer message. If you were to run this on a real device, then you would get the success haptic feedback as well, but obviously this doesn't work in the simulator. Let's quickly jump back into the documentation, and then you can see you can also create SPAlert views by themselves, and then, for example, set the duration to a few seconds if you want to show it longer or shorter. Then you can just call the present function on your SPAlert view. By default, the SPAlert will then be dismissed after the time that you have either passed in as a duration or the standard time. You can also disable that it is dismissed via time, and then you can also just dismiss it manually. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that I will see you in the next one. Bye.